Kasi so far, lahat na naging representatives natin sa road to UFC, it's either they make it out of the quarterfinals pero nagkakaroon na ng challenge pagdating sa semis. Tapos
Mm.
iba talagang quarterfinals lang. Do you see it as an added pressure or a motivation heading into this tournament?
Yes, nakikita ko siya as pressure, which is at the same time nakikita ko rin siya as motivation. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, 'pag nape-pressure ako 'pag naano, yun yung nagmo-motivate sa'kin, yung fuel na ginagamit ko para mas to do better and, to, yes, to do better then para makapag-perform better kapag may pressure. So yun yung fuel ko for motivation, yung pressure.